Footage filmed from a cruise ship shows the moment a huge tornado makes its way across the Mediterranean Sea. Sam Thompson, 29, was cruising from Rome to Palma de Mallorca when he spotted the incredible sight. He said the tornado happened after a perfectly clear day turned dark and stormy in minutes. The video, filmed on September 9, shows the tornado, known as a waterspout, making its way across the sea. It can be seen rising up from the middle of the sea in an impressive display, under a mile from the boat where Sam filmed the clip. Did you witness the tornado? Get in touch at webnews@mirror.co.uk. Travel agent Sam, from Bolton, Manchester, said, "It was a beautiful clear day and then all of a sudden we were in this dark cloud. I went outside and it was lashing it down with rain and there were these huge waves. As soon as the rain stopped, I saw this huge waterspout rise up from nowhere. It looked so cool. I knew I had to film it." Sam recalled the boat rocking in the force of the storm and the waterspout lasting for about 3 minutes, before vanishing as quickly as it came. After that, the weather returned to a clear blue sky once more, leaving no trace. Sam said, "How often do you see something like that less than a mile away from you?" A waterspout is a column of rotating, cloud-filled wind descending to an ocean or lake, National Geographic explains. They are usually smaller and less intense than a tornado on land. They are associated with severe thunderstorms and are often accompanied by high winds and seas, large hail, and frequent dangerous lightning, according to the National Ocean Service. Waterspouts are not as destructive as land tornadoes but could be dangerous for vessels and small craft in their way, All at Sea explains. They can cause havoc to mariners, as well as devastate coral reefs and marine organisms that are close to the water's surface. Read more.